Alrighty, and we are live on the Asia session. Let's do a top-down analysis. Swept that buy side. Looks like this is the next immediate target on the 1 hour. $15-minute lows right here. We're honestly just in a... It's this nice little uptrend, but I honestly don't even really want to trade NASDAQ tonight. I really want to look at gold tonight. By the way, here's the disclaimer. To make sure y'all know, this is not legal information. Yeah, that's small. Okay, no, this is a pretty big new day opening gap. It's a pretty big one. If we're just consolidating in it, then like there's no point of looking at it. But I mean, I guess like... Yeah, the new day opening gap is just looking regular. You know, let's see if we have any other new day opening gaps that we're near. No new day opening gap here. This close was 181.00. So there's literally no opening gap here. We're in a large daily fair value gap. We also have this buy side. We do have a new day opening gap lower right here, maybe right here, that we might want to target. Honestly, if I can find some liquidity around that, that'd be nice. Let's see now, 15-minute. Okay, so we do have some liquidity around that, which is pretty nice to be a target for tonight. It's only 100 points lower, and there's even a fair value up there. Now let's check the 5-minute. So yeah, this is actually looking pretty clean to me. Are these equal lows? Let's check. Low is 697.25. Okay, so these are equal lows. Sell side liquidity right here. Honestly, this is looking pretty clean for me. I want to see strong displacement lower. I like that we're kind of consolidating within this. It's always nice to see. I definitely want to see us extend lower. This is serving as a nice order block too. Probably on the 3-minute or something. I want to see us reach into this. I want to see us take out this sell side, below this old new day opening gap. And yeah, I don't really see much else for this NASDAQ play. I'm going to look at gold now and see what exactly I can find. Okay, gold is looking kind of iffy. Maybe run this sell side, but apart from that, buy side was the target. Let's check the hourly, zoom out. Always want to zoom out. Took out that buy side right here, which is very nice. We might want to reject lower now. We might want to. We've swept this buy side, equal highs right here, weak equal highs. Last few hours have been consolidation. Asia hours are the most active in my opinion for gold. I think that buy side has been taken. I'm gonna have to look at the 15-minute. Hourly is just too zoomed out in my opinion. Now we might want to do some sell side of the curve type business. Let's look at how clean that 5-minute sell side. That sell side is not necessarily too clean. It looks like we're extending toward it. It's 9 points away, so that's 450. Right. Or actually, no, I might be wrong. But I think this is nice. Low resistance liquidity run right here, hopefully. We could also have a retrace this sell side right here, maybe one of these deeper fair value gaps. I want to look at if there's any new day opening gaps that we can look at and target. So one lower here, which is way below my target, which is not necessarily probable. There's something here. Right, that close is 753.7. Open is, it's a 4-point difference in the open. Wait, no, 4 tick. Okay, I'm tripping. Yeah, I mean, we're in this daily fair value gap too. It's a strong chance that we reject and then move higher. Let's take a look at the 1 minute. The 1 minute is very consolidated. I'm not really looking to trade that yet, but I am looking at that liquidity. And honestly, that liquidity looks clean to me, so I'm going to mark it out as a potential target. If I get any opportunities, I'll take it. But for now, this is just a sell side liquidity target. Yeah, other than that, I mean, maybe we want a manipulation, something like that. But, market opened already over here somewhere. Yeah. It's already been in a little downward movement since the market opened. NASDAQ is just nicely moving lower. Give me 1 second. Alrighty, let's see. How y'all doing tonight? What's good? What's good? What's good? Hey, Gady, I appreciate you, bro. I appreciate you. I see you grinding, by the way. I've been watching your videos. I tuned into the live stream today. Not for long, but I appreciate you stopping by. Thank you so much, bro. That means a lot. I appreciate you. How you doing, though? How you doing? How's trading been treating you? How you been? By the way, guys, my mic is only muted right now just because I'm eating some food. Eating dinner right now, so. Excuse me. I just like to enjoy my food while I'm watching something on the side, but I'll be back and walking through the charts in a couple of minutes here. Been on a loss streak, TBH. Hey, it happens to all great traders, bro. And I've seen you. I love your patience. I think you're a lot more disciplined than a lot of people out here. You know, so I mean, I know motivation and all that crap really doesn't work too much, but the best way to go about it, bro, is if you have to continue losing, you have to continue losing, but you gotta journal. I already know you're a better trader than I am, so you already know. You got the right attitude already. We'll come back though. It's all good. Absolutely, bro. Absolutely. Yeah. No, you got that shit, bro. You got that shit. With loss streaks come winning streaks, and then again, but you just have to win more than you lose. And by winning more than I lose, I'm not talking about quantity, but quality, right? Like you want to win more money, want to lose less. That's also my problem that I'm facing typically. Appreciate the transparency, bro. Appreciate it. Glad you stopped by tonight, by the way. First person in chat, so I appreciate that. I have a little manipulation here, but I mean, the way price is looking, it just looks like an upward trajectory. I want to see sell side, so not really gonna take anything I don't want to take. 100%, you got it, bro. Can't wait to see you at the top. Likewise, bro. Likewise. I appreciate you, and we will indeed be seeing each other at the top. Keep grinding, bro. Keep grinding. I be keeping up with your stuff, bro. Especially the Instagram reels. I respect your work ethic, and your videos are engaging, so I know you got it, bro. Good stuff. Good stuff. I've been looking into gold lately. Used to trade it a little bit. Anyway, gonna go continue to back test, but I'll keep stream open in the background. We'll see how it goes if you take anything. Absolutely, bro. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. Hey, isn't that crazy? The live streaming community is really wholesome. That's fire, bro. That's fire. Glad you're getting that work in though, back testing, you know. I think I probably should dedicate more time to that, but honestly, like, there's like the school and the gym and everything, like, I'm gonna be on mute for a little bit until someone types in chat, But just know I'm just eating some food in the background, guys. Helps me bring the confidence back up. Main reason I do now. Yeah, bro. Especially after a losing streak, you need that little like, you need that little like boost. Like, oh, I'm ready to attack the markets now. You know what I mean? So I completely feel you on that. But yeah, take care, bro. Take care. Thanks for stopping by. And yeah, I mean, to be honest, I'm not really too keen on pressing the button tonight. Um, I've been liking gold lately, but as you can see by the price action right here, there's really nothing to trade right there. But let's see. Yeah, Nasdaq's pretty tricky tonight. Clearly wants to move higher. Maybe some type of manipulation after it takes this initial buy side. So we can actually mark that out. I'm not gonna label it or anything, but yeah. Hopefully not a continuation night. By the looks of it, I will like I have my eyes on that lower sell side, but I want to only trade towards this sell side. And the reason is because it's an Asia session. You can't ask for like 150 point moves, you know. All right, back on mute. Okay, so right here, I'm gonna check if we have SMT divergence. I'm looking for a short if we invert this fair value gap, but right now my chart is lagging. Okay. Yeah, I want to see an inversion or something before I take like an immediate trade, but either way, like I've already told you my target. and all I want to see is just directional bias towards it and displacement towards it, and then I'll probably be entering on something. So yeah, we'll have to see. The reason this one is a lower target is because there's an old new day opening gap right here, so it just looks clean to me. Right now the time's 6:50. We're in the macro now, so I can mark that out. Like to capitalize things, but yeah, that is indeed the macro, and now we're just waiting, to give way. Like I said, I'm looking for shorts, so the fact that we're above this fair value gap is like very bad for me. Therefore, I'm just not looking for any trade right now. So basically, the reason why I have this fair value gap marked out is when, if we do trade back lower, I want to see us reject off consequent encroachment of it. So actually, let me do this real quick. Dash line. There we go. We'll keep that as white. Okay. Yeah. The immediate draw though, immediate draw on liquid, for me at least, within this macro is right here. And still within the macro, I want to see us take this liquidity and then reject. That would probably be most logical just for the macro. No clear candles on gold. Um, Honestly, I'm looking at that sell side, but right now it's just looking kind of weird, obviously. You know, gold has only moved 2 points in the last like hour or 30 minutes or whatever. So, gold is off the charts for right now. I mean, off the table for right now. It's mainly just NASDAQ for right now.
मेरे लिए नहीं, वियोन के लिए बात रहना उसका
Oh my goodness. Can NASDAQ just take out that liquidity so I can word within the macro? So honestly, like we might be getting a trade opportunity, right? Like I'm thinking about a bearish fair value gap formation here, inversion of this tiny fair value gap. Hopefully we can trade below this fair value gap too. But goodness gracious, does it like to leave equal highs during the Asia session? Very manipulative. Glad I didn't take a trade so far. Still waiting. Yeah. Alrighty. I like what we did right here. I like that price action. Definitely want to see us trade back into that new day opening gap. My target is just this little short-term low, intermediate term low, 747, which is 60 points lower than what we are currently priced at. I do see myself taking a full contract trade, maybe $250 risk, so 12.5 point risk. But honestly, not yet. As of right now, I'm just waiting. Let's see, 5 minute. No change in state of delivery yet on anything, honestly, except like even the 1 minute doesn't even look like a change. Like it looks like this is an order block right here, inversion fair value gap too, but I don't see any strength really in that, but maybe we get something. Okay, institutional order flow entry drill. If that does reject, then I'm looking for an entry and I could place my stop loss here. Honestly, I'm not going to risk too much, so I'll just probably do 5 micros.
If price can reject here, then yeah.
But if not, then I'm still waiting. Yeah, that looks like an inversion to me. Back up. Looks like we're still wanting to take out that liquidity. Yeah, hands off still for right now. Yep, very hands off for me. That price action is not what I wanted, so I'm very glad I did not press the button. Very beautiful inversion right there. Breaker block here. That's actually an entry, honestly. But yeah, I'm not even going to take it. There's nothing to the left of us except just higher prices. Oh, it looks like we will just be hopefully running this in like the next 2 minutes, 3 minutes, maybe 5, and then a rejection lower. We are about to exit the macro, so not everything happened how I wanted it to in the macro, but yeah, it is kind of interesting how we tapped back into this and then priced higher. So that's something to always look at. Yeah, I'm now waiting again. Alrighty, beautifully taken that liquidity just on the end of the macro, which looks so nice. I want to make sure that ES took it too, although it probably did, right? Man, it's been taking a long time to switch signals. Can someone in chat tell me if ES took it? I don't. Okay, never mind. Okay, so hopefully a little SMT. If ES can invert that, then I'm definitely going to be shorting this. If ES can invert that, I will be shorting. But if not, and it wants to push higher again, then I'll be hands off. It's very simple. I feel a lot more disciplined since whenever I take breaks from trading. But honestly, the only reason I do be taking breaks from trading is because of school. Apart from that, I don't really take breaks from trading. But when I do, I come back and feel more disciplined. Taking a break from trading, and then immediately just trading better, and winning more trades. So trading breaks are definitely necessary, especially if you're on like a little losing streak. You could just take a trading break, even on a winning streak. You could take a step back if you take a loss, and then just be like, okay, let me evaluate myself, make sure I'm okay to trade, type shit. It's a very sensitive game. You have to be very aware of what type of person you are. This is the immediate candle that I want to see get inverted. Then I can place a little stop loss above this and try and hit that sell side tonight. But then again, I'm not rushing anything, and I'm just chilling, hands off, just waiting. I'm gonna mute up again. Just wait. I want to see an inversion here, but I don't really know how probable it is. I like this little consolidation within this fair value gap right here. It shows signs of accumulation, potential manipulation, and then distribution. But it's definitely, for me at least, it's feeling like the calm before the storm. That's just what it's feeling like. Oh my gosh. As if on cue. Distribution. Bam. Should be crazy. This is just crazy. Okay. I'm gonna take shorts here after this candle close, or on if this candle does trade back up. But I really like this, and this is honestly what I was waiting for. If I am to take shorts here, 17, put my stop loss above this, which is 11. Yeah, I guess I could short that. Just waiting. There we go. Perfect entry. And stop loss a little bit above here. Bam. Take profit will be down here. And I will be shaving off some of this here. But yeah, this is my entry. Magically. I feel like as soon as I enter a position, I always freaking spawn in more viewers. Y'all just be coming out the shadow realms for yeah. But yeah, that's the entry. I liked that candle a lot. I liked its velocity too, and I liked the fact that we inverted this fair value gap. So that's really just what I'm looking at. So I'm also gonna record this trade on OBS so that I can post it. Whether it's a loss or a win, I will be posting it. Hopefully, I get the time to record and everything. So yeah, man, screen recording and streaming really be freaking killing my battery, my computer battery types. Wait, let me actually do video capture too. I like the way that candle came back up, tested it, and now it's just moving lower. Man, that's a nice entry. I like it a lot. I waited. I was patient. I've been on stream for almost a full hour now, and regardless of the outcome of this trade, I'm not going to be emotional or anything, But I definitely want to see it win, obviously. But I also admire the fact that we have SMT divergence, which kind of adds to like the probability of the trade working out. That always helps. For me, it's always like what PD arrays are going to help me the most and whatnot, and SMT is up there. So yeah, we'll see what happens next. It's a pretty big trade too. It's pretty sizable for the Asia session. If I am to take full profits here, then I'm taking 755. But that's why I'm just holding through and just leaving a runner of 7 micros all the way here. I'll have my stops, I'll trail my stops effectively, and I'll be locking in profit regardless. As long as obviously my stop loss isn't executed. So yeah, this is really what I wanted to see though. So definitely like this setup. But I'm gonna be quiet for a little bit and just let it play out. I don't want to worry too much while I'm in the trade. Like I said, this feels like the calm before the storm. So accumulation before the distribution, hopefully, right? But yeah, definitely looking at that. I definitely don't like the way that these 3 candles followed suit right after this large down close candle, and yeah, I'm gonna get stopped out most likely. It's just an unfortunate series of events. And I will be waiting after to find a re-entry if I get stopped out. So, as you can see, you can wait a full fucking hour and still get stopped out. Man, trading, I swear, bro. I swear. It is what it is. Unfortunate. Had the sweep. anticipating manipulation now, and then maybe we'll get the fucking lower price action. But yeah, that's just unfortunate that we had to get stopped out that fast. Hopefully something gives in the following hour, but until then, we will be waiting and chilling. It's not a big deal if you lose a trade. It's just unfortunate, but yeah. Gold is looking pretty nice, honestly. Price action looks dog shit, but I just feel like it's gonna go lower today. So what is that? Minus 222. Maybe I'll get lucky tonight because that said 222, right? So I think I'll get lucky tonight on this trading session. But then again, $200 loss is not big, in my opinion. That's actually my typical risk. So I want to see us invert that fair value gap after sweeping this high out and manipulating. Hopefully we do so. Okay, I'm gonna mute up and just wait.
2 losses on a night will cut it for me, so already out the 1 strike. Hopefully that 2 doesn't happen, you know. But yeah, it was an unfortunate loss. We're still yet to actually complete the manipulation leg, which is why I was a tad bit skeptical in taking that trade because there had been no manipulation yet. So I mean, you just gotta expect manipulation in the Asia session. It really looks similar to today's New York session setup, honestly. With the little slow accumulation grind, slow up, down, and then finally, boom, dropped. But honestly, we're just waiting still. Okay, this is a volume imbalance. If we can swiftly manipulate, what is it? Invert this fair value gap, then sure, I'll consider shorts once more. But until that happens, I'm very skeptical. There's really been nothing. We can mark this as buy side. Honestly, having something to entertain you after a loss, like directly after a loss, like maybe YouTube or something, some comedy, that's like seriously the best remedy for avoiding like multiple losses, like right after just one singular loss. It's genuinely amazing. For me, I'm just watching a TV show in the background. That's it. And it genuinely helps me avoid like any type of frustration because I know like okay, winning entertains me in trading, obviously, but also losing but still being able to watch something and have a clear peace of mind entertains me as well. Now, I like the way that we used equilibrium of this fair value gap to push higher. And now, next objective, low hanging fruit objective is this little manipulation leg, hopefully. And bam, there is a manipulation leg. That is what I was really missing out on. As you can see, perfectly used. Right, we threaded the equilibrium of this fair value gap, created that manipulation leg after the buy side sweep. Now I'm looking for a fair value gap inversion with my stop loss above this high. We'll patiently wait. We'll see what happens. But at this point, all we can do is wait. All we can do is wait and watch. What is price gonna do next? I'm low-key excited. I know I'm getting a potential trade opportunity. But anyways, it's not up to me when it appears, so I'll be patient and I'll just chill. Okay, want to manipulate further or run higher? At this point, it doesn't feel like manipulation, but I'm still gonna be patient. There's always potential in the next macro, right? So now we can move this to that 650 to 710 macro. I can put this up here somewhere, maybe. Yeah, 650 to 710 macro. Hopefully we get a little. Wait. No, 750 to 810 macro Eastern timing PM. Hopefully we get a nice setup there. This is a thing that I want to see inverted. But until then, hands off. Continuously look at gold too in the background. Did ES even? Oh wow, we still have SMT with ES, but we're about to take the high out on ES. So and then gold is just drudging higher basically. Gold can come take out these equal highs or this sell side lower. This lower sell side might be a target for tomorrow. Might not be the target for tonight. I'm not going to trade gold tonight just because I don't like the price action right now, honestly. I feel like it's going to come take out these highs, but this one's going to be the closest one, obviously. It's just not enough movement on gold right now. But on Nasdaq, on the other hand, we got plenty of movement. Shit. We got a lot going on Nasdaq tonight. Boring price action. Probably sending me right to sleep, honestly, at this price action. Oh, just looking for the next macro at this point. Oh, that ass yawning, yo. This price action is like seriously so boring, but you know, it's part of the game. The draw liquidity is just lower for me, honestly. Like, I just want to see a return to this new day opening gap and take out this liquidity. Oh man, shit's definitely a little bit comical though, the way we're doing things. Perfectly, honestly, like, could say it's cope the way I'm handling the $200 loss, but I really am happy that I'm handling a loss better. It feels good to not worry about it in the back of my mind, and I can like confidently say like on my next trade I'll obviously want to cover my loss, right? Like that's just a natural human thing. But it just feels better to understand that you're not going to be revenge trading or like hunting that like specific loss, you know. It's just a lot better of a feeling. And we have to take into account our feelings when trading, so, you know, it's just a logical thing. Maybe a setup is brewing soon. We'll see. Hey, we've hit 280 subscribers. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's tough. Let's go. I've seen better Asia sessions and I've seen worse ones, so this one right here is just slow difference on this candle. Like this is a 3 point candle, you know. It's a slow grind upwards. Good stop loss though, honestly. Good stop loss. It's hard to be accurate, right? It's hard to be accurate in price, but yeah, we threaded the new day opening gap. Hardly closed below it if we were actually looking at it, right? Tapped into the lower quadrant of it. Used the upper quadrant. Like there's so many opportunities here. It's actually crazy. I'm gonna keep that on there though. I really like that actually. It looks cool. The purple line looks so cool. Chart definitely looks a little bit messier now, but it's worth it. And look at the way we traded right back up on that candle that was going to be a down close candle. This is just bad price action in my opinion. Or it's good price action and my directional bias is incorrect. But I have this bias towards the sell side liquidity. And the farther away we get from it and the more time we spend away from it, the less I believe that we're going to reach it. But I do have hope for this 750 to 810 macro that's upcoming. That's irritating as fuck. Excuse my language. I'm not actually frustrated at this, but it's annoying, yo. It's annoying. Spend these long hours at the desk. No avail sometimes. Then again, this is the profession I wanted to do, so. I might not get another trade opportunity tonight. And like I was saying on gold, we were going to come and take out the high and look at exactly what we did. It wasn't worth it for me for just 2 points though. So, oh wow. Okay. That's what gold likes to do when it senses that liquidity. It likes to run that shit all the way up. So, that's gold in a nutshell. But anyways, let's go back to NASDAQ. The crazy thing is I was tempted to take a long on NASDAQ. I mean, no, a short. Like a couple minutes ago, but I just didn't, and I'm glad I didn't. So at least I didn't lose any money, apart from that $200 loss. But apart from that, no more money spent chasing price or anything. So doing good. to ensure accuracy, I want to see us displaced below this low so that we can extend toward this sell side. That's the goal, that's the goal. And then once we reach into that sell side, or once we reach into the new day opening gap, then I do want us to thread. Actually, let me draw it out so y'all can visualize what I'm talking about. So here, maybe here, accumulation, and then bam, 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 bam. Maybe do something like that, and then, finally we reach into that. So yeah, that's just what I'm looking for. Hopefully we get it. And if we don't, I'm not tripping. Don't like the way we just traded back up yet again. Yeah, I could be completely wrong, but at least when I'm wrong, I'm not pressing any buttons, right? It's just something to note, and it feels good to... Feels good. Feels good. So what I wanted to see... Oh man, how I hope it works out, but... This open on this candle was 838. The close on this one was 838. Okay, so it's not a volume imbalance. Yeah, that's nice. Want to see us invert that. And if we don't, we're just threading higher and higher and higher and higher and higher and higher. This is a low-key a depressing stream just because of how slow this price action is. The opportunity for gold is done tonight for me. That's the liquidity sweep. Could have definitely been smart about it. But there you have it. Let's go back to NASDAQ. Oh no, where'd my macro thing go? Okay, there. NASDAQ, man. Can we just accelerate, please? Can we speed things up? I'm not asking for much. really looking for an inversion of this just to move lower. And even once we move lower, there's no guarantee. Because there's never a guarantee in trading. But, you know, post sweep, we've just gone up, 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 manipulated, manipulated, manipulated. I've seen this type of work. I've seen this type of stuff in trading, though. I've seen it a lot of times where we have more than 2 manipulations, but we still have the correct directional bias. So hopefully that's the case here. Man, I am just so freaking bummed out by this price action. Price action is genuinely egregious. Didn't expect this at all. Give me 1 second, by the way. Alrighty. Yeah, we're inside this macro. Wait, I can't believe it's actually. Doesn't feel like I've been live for this long. Time's just been flying lately. I don't know. Time has been flying so fast. I have no idea what's been going on. And this price action is pissing me off, bro. Pissing me off for real. Oh my gosh, dude. 100 points away from our target. There's really no point of trading tonight. But I'm going to only look for setups all the way until 10. If I don't get anything until 10, then I guess I'll turn it off. But if I get something before 10, I'll turn it off before 10. But, you know, hopefully we get something. Hopefully we get something. Man, my arm is looking... Hey, hold on now. Hold on now. Looking kind of big. This is what I like to see. This is what I like to see. Within the macro, this is what I like to see. Y'all know. Y'all know I was waiting for this one. Oh man, you guys know I was waiting for this one. This is a displacement below this low. And now I have this entire range to take a short on. So man, that feels so beautiful. Oh, that looks so amazing. Let's go. Let's go. Let's freaking go. Feels literally so good, bro, to see. Holy crap. Opportunities are abound, my friends. Our opportunities are abound. Man, fuck. Hopefully that's not my greed speak. Excuse me, greed speaking. But I am genuinely excited now. I have seen the inversion. I want to take a trade around here. If we can tap back into this, I'm also looking for that. But this feels amazing, genuinely. Off of the inversion itself, I want to take a trade. Place my stop loss above the inversion. But honestly, like I'm still skeptical because of the price action and how ass the price action was. So I'm just waiting. Gonna go for a short, man. Are you telling me or asking me? I don't know. But Op, by the way, it's good to see you back, bro. Glad you joined the live stream. So glad you joined because man, I remember how active you used to keep the chat, and bro, you're a goat. You're a goat. No glaze type shit. But as you can see here, this is just like beautiful displacement. I think I'm gonna take it. That's what I like to see, honestly. $260 stop loss. It's a lot of risk, but you know, we're making a lot with this one. I'll keep it here if it's just okay. Yeah, I like my risk to reward ratio on this trade. This is something nice, something clean. So yeah, like a little over 1 to 3. So yeah, I am going for that short up, as you can see, and yeah, I don't know if you are as well, but man, I waited a long time to get this one. I hope it works out. I hope it does. I definitely want to see this be treated as a breakaway gap, so we don't even reach back into it. I'd also be confident. I don't know if I'd be confident necessarily, but I don't see anything wrong with placing your stop loss above consequent encroachment of that fair value gap. But yeah, this is really what I like to see. What's up, man? Tapping. What's good? What's good? Tapping on the 1 hour fair value gap on a higher time frame. That I would look at that, but since I'm in the trade, I'm also screen recording, so I just want to keep everything on one time frame because I will be uploading this trade as well, and also the loss from earlier. Up, by the way, just in case you just now tuned in, I took a $200 loss earlier. Let's turn on executions actually. But yeah, just a small little loss right here. Just something calm. You know how it is. You know how we get. Always be taking the losers before the winners. I don't know why, man. Shit happened to me this morning. I took a $750 winner, but right before that, I took a $230 loser. So, you know. Hopefully my freaking school tomorrow is canceled. Just waiting for that notification, honestly. Okay. So you said, Op said, how we hope we can get a 3 minute close under and dump. Let me take a look at the 3 minute. Yeah, and also the 3 minute is looking super bearish to me. I would hate to see this get inverted back to the upside because I do feel like we're in high probability conditions. We just had to wait a little bit, right? But we'll have to just wait and watch. Hopefully, something good happens. I've taken my trade, and I feel good about it. I feel safe about it, right? So, so we'll just be waiting. But definitely looking for that dump. Pause. Wait, no pause. And I do want to see us leave this fair value gap open. I don't see any reason to even go back into it, honestly, but. I like the way that candle wicked downwards. We're definitely threading on this fair value gap right here. I want to see us price under it. This fair value gap as well. But yeah, we're still within that macro. But in this macro, we've had the displacement. So, maybe this macro will send us. Maybe this trade will take us all the way to 10 p.m. But man, I'm here. So I'm waiting. And I'm willing to put in that time. And I hope you guys are as well. My fill on this is so bad, though. Yeah, honestly, it's kind of hard not to chase price, but I always wait for like a small little trade up on like any type of confirmation candle type thing. But I'm gonna just hold it though. Yeah, honestly, like you could even just size down, take a little $5 like order fill loss, put your stop loss higher, and then that's just your sizing down. Go for a wider target potentially. Just because of the run up we had today, I'm looking for a little retracement here in the HS session. But yeah, honestly, bro, I kind of like my fill here though. If I'm gonna be honest, my fill is pretty nice. Fuck on my fill. But I did draw out what would happen earlier. So, hopefully that freaking happens. I had to piss so badly, but this trade is more important right now. Been live for an hour, 46 minutes too. Damn. No bathroom break. Getting stopped out of this banger would just be unfortunate. By the way, reason my take profits here is because low resistance liquidity run, hopefully, right? That's just what we're looking at. Yes, sir. I go straight up on Nice, we are threading lower. Hey, op. Hey, this shit is looking good, op. This is looking good, bro. Oh man, that is looking too clean, bro. That is looking too clean. I want to move my stop loss right here, but I'm going to keep it where it's at just because of potential manipulation. But bro, that is looking clean, bro. We waited. Hey, we waited though. Fortune favors the patient and the brave, but yeah. Did I just speak this trade out of working, bro? No, I'm playing. Still waiting. I want that fair value gap to be inverted really badly, but yeah, hopefully. If we inverse this 1 minute, it's over, bro. I'm saying, bro. If we invert that 1 minute, it's over, bro. Man, that shit is funny. I'm telling you, bro. I was looking at that for a long freaking time, bro. Hey, I'm doing this on an eval, like my fundeds are cooked right now. Nah, bro. I think, hey, if you're confident about the trade, you can size down and take it on the fundeds. You know what I mean? Like, that's what I'm thinking. Like, this is low sizing for me right now. 10. All right, okay, this is pretty high sizing for me actually, using a full contract. But I'm doing it with micros so I can scale in, scale out, you know. About $700 away from blowing them. I know that feeling all too well. I know it. I'm very freaking familiar with blowing fundeds. Very familiar. I know that feeling, bro, and just do not. $700 is a lot, bro. You can literally make 100 points is $600 on 3 micros, and you can have like a 50 point stop loss, take like 2 losses, and be cooked. Obviously, don't do that, but 3 micros is like the perfect size for you right now, bro. Also, bearish order block that I'm gonna mark out right here. I want to see us reject off of that. Dude, trust me, just scale down to 3. I'm telling you right now. I trade my funded only NYAM, lol. Yeah, bro. I used to trade funded Asia, gold, AM, but then once you start blowing them, you got to be limited. So honestly, for me, it's not a specific session. It's just whatever trade appeals to me the most. But yeah, scale down, bro. Scale down for sure if you're $700 away from blowing it. Fundeds take a while, bro. Take a while to get. I know that. I just want ES to dump, but I don't know. The divergence is crazy. The divergence is kind of weird today, to be honest. By the way, I don't want to see this candle just blow through the freaking roof. I want to see it close nicely. Honestly, this is okay because we didn't really. I mean, we've still respected this fair value gap right here. It's like a little bit of volume imbalance too, but yeah. Let's see the close. The open on this is 817.75. Close on this is, yeah, it's a volume imbalance. So we can actually extend that to the high of the candle body instead of the wick. Ugh, man. But yeah, this is kind of what I expected though, right? Like I was talking about this, how we're going to thread this fair value gap, push lower, retest it. It's going to be a slow grind, you know, it's going to be a slow grind, but hopefully we get it to work. Because ES might want more liquidity. Potentially. I haven't looked at ES fully, and I don't really want to right now, because I don't want to have my mind focused on too many things, but by the way, I certainly like the way we're rejecting off this fair value gap. I like that long wick right here on this candle. Yeah, it's really just a game of waiting. Unfortunate that I'm now in a loss on this trade, but hopefully we trade back lower. I don't like that candle body. I feel like exiting the trade already, but I have a stop loss, so we're just going to hold it through. But yeah, sometimes we dive into the order block, but we don't fully trade outside of it. So Hopefully we just dove into it here and then we can still reject lower and trade underneath it. No sweep yet, might still be good. So Nate, I think there was a sweep, bro. I mean, there's been several, manipulation, now lower pricing. I like this. I like this trade a lot, honestly. But I just don't like the way we use this fair value gap. Technically swept out the small intermediate term low. Like, I'm just looking for a bigger price movement, and I'm looking for us to completely trade back through that new day opening gap. We inverse the 1 minute and tapping of a fair value gap. Yeah. Yeah. We're just waiting now. Very patiently. Since the drop, maybe on the lower time frames. Oh, since the drop, yeah. I mean, this sweep right here, lower time frame sweep, yeah. But no real like 15-minute liquidity was taken out. Also, hopefully this is just institutional order flow entry drill, but I have a very strong feeling I'm going to get stopped out on this trade. We just created a breaker right here too, so it looks like a stop hunt on my end, honestly. I don't really see anything else coming through. This order block was denied. This fair value gap was inverted. Our last line of defense is this fair value gap right here. And if that doesn't work, then I'm probably going to get stopped out. So yeah, I can delete all this extra nonsense right here. Really wanted to see us trade below this fair value gap. Man. Meant bearish. Yeah, I'm also bearish right now. Yeah, it's a stop hunt probably. Unfortunate that we had to see it through like this. Oh man. Oh, that honestly gets me so upset because I done waited a long time for a nice trade like this, but it feels like a stop hunt. Feels very similar to a little stop hunt. Really expecting or trying to get those lower prices soon, but the sweep that just occurred matters with a smiley face. And Rose rubbing salt in the wound. No, I'm playing. Yeah, I agree. The sweep matters, right? And the reaction off of the sweep matters as well. It's good to analyze that. I'm gonna be honest. I'm probably gonna get stopped out of the trade, right? So that's why it's also good not to copy trade me. It's not legal information. But regardless of the outcome of the trade, I'm still gonna be here trading tomorrow. I'm still gonna be trading, right? So it's not the end of the world if I lose this damn trade. Definitely feels bad, and it's definitely giving me an exit opportunity right here. But I'm gonna let it stop me out because you never know what could flip in the next 10 minutes. It is definitely unfortunate, though, that things had to happen this way. Keeping your composure on live is just, man, shit does not. I just hope we can tap off this. Yeah, same. That's definitely the biggest hope right now. Hopefully we can just tap off of this fair value gap and then reject lower. If we can't, then obviously it's like a stop hunt, but, hopefully it does that. Man. All right, I'm gonna mute up for a little bit. Just be chilling. Bro, I shouldn't be distracting you. I'm referring to the sweep of the first green after the 1 minute drop. Okay. You're talking that. Okay. Nah, I thought you were talking about this one over here to the left. I mean, you're not distracting me though. I enjoy talking in chat, so I appreciate you participating in the chat. So yeah, don't even worry about it. I appreciate your comments nonetheless. I exited the trade because of the momentum. Yeah, smart. I'm just looking for a rejection of this fair value gap and then a push lower. I think it's natural to come take out highs, lows, and whatever, but this fair value gap here is just too nice to ignore. I really do hope we. Ugh, man, that's just unfortunate, but I will not be exiting the trade yet. I'll be exiting once my stop loss is executed. But yeah, I can see why you exited. It doesn't feel good at all to have your stop loss, near. I'm gonna keep it up there just for an extra $10 risk, but we could just fill this in, come lower. Yeah, shit's unfortunate, honestly. It's pretty unfortunate. It gave us $230 profit first, and then came back up. I could save myself an additional 160, but what's the point? Flagging in an FVG is a good sign according to MJH. Hey, real quick, can you tell me who MJH is? I don't know who that is, but I'm glad to hear that flagging in a fair value gap is good. I think flagging you mean like bear flag or bull flag or something. I personally don't pay attention to those, but you know, always having your stop loss like above the fair value gap, it can't hurt. It can't hurt. It definitely it feels secure to me at least. So whatever happens below it is not my business, just because like once I'm in the trade, then I already understand that I've lost the money that I put in the trade. And the reason I say lost is because I'm accepting the risk. It's just it's a weird way of saying I've accepted the risk, but yeah. Price is too bullish for me. Also looking at my 3 minute tapping off of the fair value gap low minus 187, and the day hasn't even started LMFAO on eval though, so it's good. Yeah, it's looking bullish. It's looking bullish. I agree with you. Day hasn't started. That's a reason to be intimidated, but bro, it's the Asia session. There's nothing wrong with putting risk on the table. Also, if it's an eval, like bro, risk that shit. Risk it. Oh, ICT according to MJH. ICT. Okay. All right. Bet. Yeah, Nate. I appreciate that. That gives me a little bit more confidence in the trade. Yeah. Yeah. Patience is a virtue. Most overused saying, but I guess it is. Man, a slow, slow trudge upwards. It's always something you hate to see in trading. It's a terrible, terrible sight, but I guess if you're in longs, you're eating good tonight. It's an unfortunate series of events. I've been on live for 2 hours, and this is about to be my second loss of the day. It's fine though. Shit happens for a reason, tomorrow, you know. Hey, what is this volume stepping in right now? So I like how we use equilibrium of this fair value gap right here. And now we're hopefully going to bounce. But until this candle closes, I just don't trust it, honestly. I think Asia sends more traders to therapy than any other. Yo, I mean, I guess the traders that it sends to therapy, are they traders or gamblers, you know? Because, come on, for me, I feel a lot more patient trading Asia because I understand what to expect from it. During New York, it's like you can expect one thing, see another thing. Like, you know, like Asia session, I'm already going into the session extremely skeptical, trying to take the best setup. You know, Asia session kind of makes you become a perfectionist, which I guess helps for the New York session. Been predicting gold back to back days, doing good with that. What the hell is this? Come on, bro. My computer's so damn slow, bro. First thing I'm doing with the payout is freaking new computer. First thing, man. Buy some damn cologne. I got so many things I got so many things on my wish list type shit. Oh my gosh. A little emotional roller coaster that Asia session is. Feeling like I'm losing my cool, bro. This is a nice short on gold that I could take. I'm not going to take it though. It was looking like a good reversal. But what would I even target, right? Like these lows, like, come on, bro. Like, imagine how long. If this inverted this, if this price inverts this, then I'll consider the gold trade. I've noticed that gold actually respects ICT, like a lot with like a lot less manipulation than, compared to Nasdaq at least, from what I've noticed. From what I've noticed. We're just ranging in this fair value gap. It's late into the session. It's 8 p.m. I don't want to be on my charts anymore. It's keeping me here, and I'm also unhappy while doing it, unfortunately, because the trades are just losing. But yeah, shit's unfortunate. Shit's unfortunate that we had to nicely displace, manipulate again. Like, come on, bro. Shit's unfortunate. If we closed the 1 minute, it would have worked so well. I know, I agree. But we decided to stall and reject. Yeah, so that means price action is sending us to sleep tonight. Ugh. I guess we're gonna be moving this macro sign over to 850. Like holy fuck, dude. Like this shit is just irritating at this point, bro. It's definitely unideal, non-ideal, or whatever the hell the word is. Watching price action do all this nonsense is just so annoying. It genuinely is. Then again, I don't got any other option because I'm in the trade already, so yeah. That's why I didn't move my stop loss earlier though, because I remember talking about that, why I didn't want to. But if the Asia session is, and look at that. Trade right the fuck back up, bro. Oh my goodness, I can't handle this anymore, bro. I genuinely want to get off this fucking thing, man. Fuck. I don't even want to be on my charts anymore today. Very unfortunate Asia session. Very unfortunate. Shit happens though. Shit happens, you know. Just gotta handle the shit when it happens. Let's check back on gold though. See what's popping with this bastard. This is the fucking good price action. I'm gonna be taking a short on gold too. Fuck! This NASDAQ trade's about to get stopped out, bro. Fuck! Oh my gosh. Back-to-back losses on fucking NASDAQ, dude. You fucking with me. It is what it is. I'm putting some risk on the table for gold. I want that low resistance liquidity to be ran out. That's what I'm looking at. Putting some risk on the table for gold. Is it going to fucking place my order, bro? Come on, bro. What you mean pending? There we go. Holy fuck. Okay. Come on, bro. Why does it have to lag, dude? Why do we have to lag like this? Holy fuck. Eric number 91 said D's. D's is nuts. No. The gold trade is in profit right now. I'll be watching gold for them setups, bro. I'm telling you, I'm telling you. Bro, this shit just gotta trade right the fuck back up, right? Oh my gosh, dude. This shit is so fucking annoying, bro. Like, come the fuck on, bro. Come the fuck on, bro. Now I'm thinking I should have taken my loss, right? Getting emotional as fuck over this trade, bro. Trade doesn't care about you. I gotta mute up real quick. I gotta go downstairs. I'll be back. Came back to a semi-decent site. Oh, gold trade is down now? Okay. Gold just be giving me profit, taken away. I don't know, man. I don't know. All I know is I got some food right here, and there's no need to worry. Tragic way to go out. I'm not gonna lie. Shit's just fucking unfortunate. I don't know what else to fucking say. Damn. But yeah. Down 500 on the fucking night. Not surprised though. Not surprised that the Asia session did this fucking bullshit to me. Done with NASDAQ for today. So fucking irritating, but yeah, unfortunate. Could just full leverage like 10 points here. Tempted as fuck to do it too. So tempted, man. Not going to though. If this gold trade doesn't work out either, then I just lose all my profits in the last few days. But they call them diamond handfish. Nah, they don't call me shit. I appreciate you though. It's unfortunate what transpired. Shit happens. Stayed true to the game and didn't lose your shit. Be proud, bro. Yeah, yeah. I appreciate your comments, bro. I appreciate them. I mean, yeah, it's just, bro, it's always frustrating to take a loss. That shit just happens. But honestly, it's all good. I have this gold trade up, so hopefully something good happens. I'm like, honestly, you could just full port. I mean, I could just full port towards like this 4-3 level. Put like 3 contracts on, but I'm not going to, obviously. Why build bad habits just because of a loss? But yeah, I definitely didn't expect longs from NASDAQ tonight. Well, it'll probably deliver shorts, just not right now. How is that a good trade, though? I entered off of the creation of this fair value gap right here. So, yeah. And I was targeting sell side down here. Good trades can still lose, bro. I was in profits for over $200. Good trades can still lose. Let's see. Let me go wash my hands. Use the bathroom. I'll be back. I'm back, still in loss. That's okay. Really don't like to see my gold trade stalling. How many points is that? 5 points. Fuck, I wish there was a way to lock myself out of NASDAQ. Out of trading NASDAQ. By the way, this low resistance liquidity run looks so nice and like probable to me. On gold at least. Hope it hits. No, it is. Okay. But yeah, I'm just gonna mute, do some other stuff in the background. Trade will be up for y'all to see. Yeah, I probably won't be commentating until like this trade gives me something of substance to commentate on. But really, it's just bearish price action, you know. Looks good to me. All right. So yeah, I'm gonna be chilling. Looking left, gold might be playing out AMD. Currently in manipulation. GC might be playing out AMD. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know what that means, bro. I'm a little bit stupid maybe, but I don't know what that means. But at the same time, I like the way gold is looking right now. That's why I'm short on it. So yeah. It's micro gold. As I said, I could have just full ported the account towards these highs. That definitely would have worked out. Especially right here. Why didn't I, honestly? That would have worked out so nicely. But honestly, it's a matter of discipline. I can't catch myself full porting shit. It's just not right, you know? It's just not right. Oh, time frame. Okay, okay. I thought you said what the fuck is the chart. Okay, okay. That's my fault. Time frame is 1 minute. It's gold. All right, guys. I gotta go right now. Trade will hopefully play out, but if it does, then I'm gonna be having that recap on YouTube. And yeah, I'm gonna be locked in. Hopefully it plays out. Gold is just obviously being slow right now, but you know, I'm okay with the losses today. It happens to the best of us. And yeah. All right. Good night, y'all. Enjoy your day.